Good morning, everyone. Hi. So today we're gonna be going to Colorado, and yeah, you might be asking, hey, you were kind of just there, kind of. It's been a while, but are you going back to Florida? No, I'm not. Actually, I'm just gonna go to Colorado and hang out in the mountains. I don't know if it's the mountains. It's higher elevation, so definitely mountains. Anyways, I thought I'd bring you guys along for the trip and maybe you guys can enjoy it as much as I will. Anyways, see you guys there. Okay. Alright guys, so it's probably like 9 right now or 8:30 or something. 9:16. Oh, I was right. It's 9:16. Thank you. And we're about to head out to Colorado. I think we have a stop to get some fuel, and then we're going to land in, I don't know the exact place, but I'm gonna say Durango because that's our final destination. Kind of scared.
You might land in Idaho.
Yeah,
fuel.
Land there for fuel, and then final destination is gonna be Durango. Kind of scared, only nervous, not really, but kind of, because this is a tiny little plane, and we're taking this huge doggo. Hey Monty, can't even see, and another dog, and then all three of us. So it should be pretty tight. But I'm sure it'll be a really fun experience. Guys, I'm gonna get freaked out when we're all the way up in the air. Anyways, I'm sure it's gonna be a pretty exciting flight, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Hopefully you can experience something. That's kind of weird.
Experience something?
Experience some part of this trip with me. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're getting ready to take off. Alright. Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light. Hi everyone, so we've made it to Gooding, Idaho. Yeah, so that airplane ride was like 2 hours and 30 minutes or something like that, and my head didn't hurt until we started going down, and we got super sleepy. Like Isabella stayed the whole ride basically asleep, because there's like the oxygen's kind of thin, so science stuff happens and then you just fall asleep. So now we're just grabbing a snack at this airplane gas station. Completely okay. Yum. Like the cool blue light. Hi everyone, we made it to Durango. The plane is in the hangar, and now all we have to do is drive to the mountain. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of got dizzy on that ride. Just at the end of it, whenever we were landing, It's a little too much movement, but I am proud to say that I spoke on the radio and I communicated that we were coming into the runway. So that's pretty cool, right?
Can you please go down?
Good morning, everyone. So it's the next day. Yesterday we flew in to Durango. It was a flight of 6 hours or something like that, and it was pretty cool. I got to learn how to fly a plane, kind of. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. But now we're here at our cabin, and I thought I'd give you guys a little house tour. So let's start at the very beginning, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so when you first come in, you see the kitchen, dirty pan, don't look at that. Washer, dryer, a little breakfast table eating area. And then over here, you have the sink, the fridge, and over here is the living seating area with a fireplace, and it's a really cute just log cabin. And over here you have the TV, and we have some sleighs, I don't know how you call them. And this is the bathroom, very simple and cute. Honestly, it's really nice that there's a big bathroom in here, because normally in small houses you have tiny bathrooms. Anyways, up here is the little loft where I'm sleeping, and these steps are actually really scary because they're super what is this called, steep. If you come up here, you'll see a very cute little bed area with some lights, and here we have clothes, and you can look over into the living area. So it's just a really cute little cabin. Oh, and out there we have a little patio porch. So it's a really cute little living space. The only problem I've found really is that there are so many moths. It's moth season here in Colorado, so yeah, the moths are in abundance, and at night when we turn on these little lights, they're just flying up there over our heads, and so it's kind of weird, but we got most of them out now. So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!